Hello, my name is Abby Hutton, and I'm a graduate student in the Human Factors Psychology PhD program here at WSU. My research has been centered around older adults and cognition for most of my time in grad school, but specifically, this study emphasizes physical exercise like pickleball. We created a longitudinal study with 4 groups: advanced pickleball, having played more than a year; novice pickleball, having played less than a year; aerobic exercise, and inactive controls. We had 83 participants at the pre and post test, but the second post test only had 31 participants. The mean age was 67.7 with a standard deviation of 5.7. We gave all participants 4 cognitive measures: the MOT, UFOV, flanker, and the in-back. These tasks measure aspects of cognition, including divided, selective, and executive attention, depth and motion perception, inhibition, processing speed, response time, and working memory. The timeline went the pre-test, 6 months later, the post-test, and then 18 months later, the second post-test, which was pushed back due to COVID restrictions on research. The 18-month post-test was collected from October 2020 to January 2021, but we had an attrition rate of 62.7%, as mentioned above. A mixed modeling approach was used for the results. Models were created for each cognitive task to determine the best fit model. The predictors were exercise group, session, and age. The outcome variable was accuracy for MOT and MBAC, response time for flanker, and processing speed for UFOV. Overall, the aerobic and advanced pickleball groups tend to perform better on cognitive measures, and the inactive controls tend to perform worse on cognitive measures, as expected in our hypothesis. Unlike our hypothesis, the novice pickleball group performed similarly to the inactive group, but they trended to be a little bit better on cognitive measures, but nothing significant. The results we got could be due to many factors. There were many types of aerobic exercise that the aerobic exercisers participated in. Self-reportive exercise, frequency, duration, COVID restrictions of pickleball playing locations. Some locations were shut down during the time that we had the second post-test. The advanced pickleball previously played tennis most of their life before starting pickleball. And last, the advanced pickleball typically played more times a week than the novice pickleball players. But we plan to run another post-test starting April 2021 to June 2021. Overall, cognitive aging is unavoidable, but there are many ways to maintain the quality of life. The current study suggests that pickleball may take more time to show cognitive changes in older adults, but regular physical activity leads to better performance on measures of cognition compared to inactive adults. Thank you.